Hello YouTube, hello Sten McKenzie, this is Vincent Lamicella with the Greybox layout for my Killing Floor 2 map. So here's a nice overhead view. I was able to construct the rough geometry of the level, and I even set up a few little path nodes down here. Still very new to, well, all these developer tools, but I think I was able to figure this all out on my own. But anyways, I don't know yet if enemies can spawn in these conditions, but how about we just get a look at the game in the viewport. Yep, so here we are. Yeah, not the best layout. I mean, I wasn't sure how to use the brush to map out the rooms and stuff, but I found these modular tiles, which for a beginner certainly get the job done. Not super pretty, but this is a Greybox. I gotta start somewhere. I mean, it probably was easier to really get the right scale for the map with these than it might have been if I just constructed it with rooms. And yeah, some of these areas aren't even finished, but I've got like a few corridors here and there so there aren't like too many dead ends even with all those rooms around. But and I've got a few little placeholder models for like points of interest. Like this area here is going to be like a fountain of some sort, a little centerpiece for this mall-like level. And here we have one of the trader pods, but of course it doesn't do anything because well, there aren't any Zeds to beat. Yeah, I've got a bunch of rooms here. Maybe little pickups will spawn there, I guess. And here's some more placeholder stuff. There's gonna be some debris here, like maybe some carts or something. And there's another trader pod. This area might be some sort of like arcade type area. And here we have one of the sets of stairs leading up to the second floor. So there's gonna be more stuff here. Like yeah, I feel like I might have. Another issue is it's kind of hard to tell like just how big you're making the map until you actually walk around in it. I should have started with the trader pod, and that would have given me a good sense of scale. But anyways, you've got a little balcony here leading down to this place, which will be like a cinema, and you've got fall damage, but in a pinch, it's better than being pummeled by Zeds, I suppose. So let's just go back up these stairs, look around. And you've got more little places here. These places may or may not have railings in a later build, and if they do, they'll definitely get damaged at some point, so there'll be a nice emergency exit. Here we got another area. Probably some sort of a department store, I guess. I've got these placeholder shelves, but there's probably going to be way more shelves here later, and another trader pod, and another set of stairs leading back down. Oof, more fall damage. But I definitely need to add ceilings because you can see this stuff through the floor. And again, not all these walls mesh perfectly. Definitely one of the drawbacks of using tiles to build the geometry, but again, I'm kind of a rookie with this software, and I made do with what I had. I was hoping to get some more like feedback in class before the due date, but you know, class was canceled Monday, but that didn't stop me from wasting that day not mapping out this geometry. So yeah, we've got some more rooms here. One that has 2 doors, and another big room with some stairs leading up here to another trader pod, and this will be some sort of food court, I suppose. Yeah, I think that just about concludes the tour of the Greybox. It's just it's kind of again kind of obviously a work in progress, but I just need a little bit of help. That's all. But I think I've come pretty far on my own. So yeah, it's definitely it's definitely a pretty good layout for a map where you'll be, want to move around, find a good place to sort of stand still, but also, try and get moved around a bit by approaching Zeds. I definitely need to work on. I'm trying to make some sort of like outdoor spaces. They'll no doubt be like blocked off by, I don't know, maybe some piled up cars or something to keep the player in this area. But maybe Zeds can appear around there to push the player back in here. But yeah, it's a good start. So I'm gonna sign off here and have a nice day.